Hello, and welcome back to Coca English, the place where we learn one word together. I'm your host, Layla.
And I'm Sam. It's so good to see you again. We are very happy you are here with us today.
Yes, we are. Our channel is all about making English words easy and fun. Every time, we take one English word and we talk about it. We look at what it means and how to use it.
That's right. And today we have a very useful word. It's a small word, but it can mean many different things. It's a tough word.
Sam, you just said our word. The word for today is tough.
Oh, I did. It was an accident, I promise. But yes, our word is tough. T-O-U-G-H.
Excellent. So let's start with the first meaning of tough. Sam, can you show us something tough?
Of course. Look at this. This is my old wallet. It is made of leather. I have had it for 10 years. I use it every day, but it still looks good. It is very strong. It does not break easily. We can say this wallet is tough.
Perfect. So the first meaning of tough is strong and difficult to break. We often use it for things: a tough bag, tough shoes, or tough material. My new phone is tough. It doesn't break if I drop it.
Yes. Now let's think about food. Layla, do you like old bread?
Old bread? No, I don't. When bread is old, it is not soft. It is hard to eat. It is difficult to bite.
Exactly. That bread is tough. So the second meaning of tough is the opposite of soft. It describes food that is hard and difficult to eat or chew. My grandmother cooks a very nice meat, but sometimes I cook it for too long and it becomes tough. It is hard to eat.
That's a good example. So we have tough for strong things and tough for hard food, but we also use tough for people. Sam, can you think of a person who is tough?
Yes. My friend Anna is a runner. She runs for many, many kilometers. Last month, she ran in a race when it was very cold and rainy. But she did not stop. She finished the race. She is very strong in her body and mind. Anna is a tough person.
That's a great story. So, a tough person is physically strong and doesn't get tired easily, or they are strong in their mind. They don't give up easily when they have a problem.
Yes, a person who works outside, building houses, has a tough job. It is a hard job for the body.
And a student who studies for many hours every day for a big test is also tough. It is not easy, but they do it.
This brings us to the next meaning. We can use tough for situations, not just people or things. Layla, do you remember your first driving test?
Oh, yes, I remember. It was very difficult for me. I was so nervous. The man giving the test asked me to do many hard things. It was a tough test. It was not easy.
I understand. My first week at my new job was very tough. I had to learn many new things, and I worked for 12 hours every day. It was a tough week.
So, a tough situation is a difficult situation. A tough day at work, a tough decision. For example, choosing between two good universities is a tough decision. It is hard to choose.
And sometimes people can be tough on other people. My football coach, when I was a boy, was very tough on us. He made us run a lot and practice for hours. He was strict because he wanted us to be good players.
Right. So, if someone is tough on you, it means they are strict with you. They make you work hard. A teacher can be tough on her students. A parent can be tough on their child.
Now let's put it all together. The word tough is an adjective. We use it to describe 1. A thing that is strong and hard to break, a tough box. 2. Food that is hard to chew, tough meat. 3. A person who is physically or mentally strong, a tough soldier. 4. A situation that is difficult, a tough problem. 5. A person who is strict, a tough boss.
Wonderful. Now, let's hear it in some simple sentences.
This plastic is tough. My son can't break his toys. I can't eat this steak. It is too tough. My mother is very tough. She works and takes care of our big family. The English test was tough, but I think I passed. My father was tough on me about my homework, and now I am happy about it.
Perfect examples, Sam. Now, here's a little story for you. Let's see if you can understand the different meanings of tough. Maria wanted to buy a new bag for her travels. She needed a tough bag because she put many things in it. She found one, but it was very expensive. It was a tough decision, but she bought it. The first day she used it, she carried heavy books and her computer. The bag was great, but for lunch, she had a sandwich with very tough bread. It was a tough meal to eat. Later, she had a tough meeting at work. Her boss was tough and asked many difficult questions. But Maria is a tough person. She answered all the questions well.
Maria had a very busy day, but she is tough, so it's okay.
Exactly. So you see, one little word can be used in many different ways. It's very useful.
And now it's your turn. We want you to practice. Learning a new language can be tough, but you are doing a great job.
Yes, you are. Please help us and help yourself. Write a sentence in the comments below this video. Use the word tough. You can tell us about a tough day you had, or a tough person you know, or maybe about some tough food you ate.
We read all your comments. We love to see your sentences. It is not a tough job for us. It is a happy job.
Thank you so much for listening today. You are an amazing listener. Remember, learning English is a journey. Some days are easy and some days are tough, but you can do it.
Keep going. You are tough. See you next time on Coca English.
Bye.